ShipOwner ESG 502. In the past, many used Cuban crews, but the wages that were in the enlistment contracts and in the beneficiaries' accounts were different currencies. That's why we did not work with them. Today, we can really deal direct, and there is no conflict of interest regarding the agency over there, this government control and so on. So there is like very clear anti-corruption policies that we can apply. Same thing in Honduras, that the government did allow labor unions to have these recruitment and placement licenses in the past and today. But in Candina, there is no conflict of interest because our agency is crew management and placement and recruitment agency. So it is completely opposite, and there is no conflict of interest with any labor unions, because then you can really get all kinds of fees and so on under whatever really name. So then it is very important to realize also the software changes that we're having today. Many softwares are really improving regarding the financial management, budget, variance reports. Then we do use Adonis, GreenSpectre, or any ShipOwner softwares. And the main idea that I'm going to be now your candidate within IMEC, International Maritime Employees Council, is that there must be really zero gap between gross and net. We must implement Department of IMEC efficiency, account how much per month out of 2.4 billion gross net gap. We're cutting from fees to any other paragraphs and so on, discounts that my late father 70 years ago did implement in Filipinas, and still no one changed nothing. Well, now is the time to change things and disrupt things. So please contact us, because we can really help your company. Many ship owners are changing to the Spanish language, and many are thinking about going direct with Candina. So here we are. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.